Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Miguel here, and I'm here to make a quick video on price action and how to use candle reversal patterns to enter a trade. Um, so pretty much this is all technical, analysis, and what that is it's built on the assumption that price trends, and one of the most significant goals of technical analysis is to identify changes in direction of price action. All right, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this using trend lines and candle reversal patterns. All right. So by definition, a trend line is a straight line that connects no less than three price points that extends to the future. You see how I did here? It's extended to the future. All right. Extends to the future to act as a line of support or resistance. Trend lines must be respected by at least three lows on an uptrend or three highs on a downtrend and should not cut through or intersect price. All right. So, for example, you see here 1, 2, 3, 4. This was respected by three or more. Right here, you can see 4, 5, 5 highs. All right, 5 lower highs. That is a proper trend line. All right. Same thing down here. 1, 2, 3. Actually, this is a current market. Before, price was up here, but as you can see, it bounced off here and it actually broke. It broke support, and now that line that we drew is acting as resistance. All right. So this is why you need to learn how to draw a proper trend line. All right. I drew it ahead of time because I'm trying to make this video short so I can kind of show you guys why this is important. All right. Now, I use highly reliable candle reversal patterns when I'm trading. And as you can see, if you draw your lines correctly, when I zoom out to draw my lines, this is the 5-minute chart because I know a lot of you guys like to take short-term trades. So what you do is you zoom in. All right, and what you can notice is right here, we have a reversal pattern. Actually, let me see if I can bring it up. All right, I got my sheet. This is my cheat sheet right here. All right, right here. All right, so when you start to see price, head towards that, pretty much back to the trend line that you drew, you want to pay attention. And right here, you can notice that if you look at my chart, this is an evening star pattern, evening doji star pattern is what this is. All right, now that right there is indicating a reversal. All right, so what happened here is price went down. All right, it went down and it came back to retest that line because this trend line acts as a support and resistance. All right, so it came and it tested resistance, couldn't break through, and it just dropped. All right, this is why you need to know, which candle pattern or reversal patterns to look out for. All right, now right here, same thing happened, same pattern, reversal pattern, and you see it just drops, price just drops. So I keep this on me at all times when I'm trading, and I will zoom out for you guys so you guys can see what happened here. All right, boom, boom, boom. I only take trades right here. Right here, you see this on a reversal. So as soon as you see a reversal candle pattern, this one retested, but then boom, shot back down. This one shot back down. You can see this one, boom, shot down, and then right here it broke through. All right, once it breaks through, this is no longer a downtrend. This is now an uptrend. All right, so I drew my lines, and as you can see, we zoom in. And you can see a reversal pattern, boom. This is why reversal patterns are important, and you need to know them, or at least have that cheat sheet with you when you're trading. Now here, whatever, price was ranging, but as you can see, it came back down to that trend line that I drew. Keep in mind, I only use these three. You see it, and it came back down to that trend line. It bounced off, and then it broke through. Now, usually when price breaks support and resistance, because this is what this is. All right, once you draw a trend line, it becomes a support or resistance. line. All right, now what happened here, price broke through, and it usually takes a big candle like this one to break through. Now this, it became, so what was once support became resistance. All right, now if you can actually, if you have your, it's probably too zoomed in, but if you have your chart available, you could zoom in and you could kind of see, watch price, and this is resistance now. So what's going to happen is more than likely it's going to become a downtrend. A downtrend is going to happen, all right? So just keep an eye out for that. And this right here is key. This is the bearish reversal. I also have the one for bullish reversal, and you can actually use these. If you use this with the trend lines and you draw them properly, I mean, this is the best example you're going to get right here. Look, it followed the guidelines, three highs on a downtrend. This actually 1, 2, 3, 4, this 5 points, or 6 if you count this one, 6 points. So this is a proper trend line. As you can see, it took a large candle like this to break that trend. All right, like I said before, it usually takes a large candle, engulfing candle, to break a trend. Now once a trend breaks, you go ahead and you draw, boom, you draw your uptrend. And keep in mind, this is current market, so before I even drew, or before price was down here, I had drew my line already. Price was up here when I drew my line somewhere. And as you can see, if you zoom back in, price bounced off, but then it broke. You see that big candle? Usually a big candle breaks, and then now what was once your support is now your resistance. All right, whenever support is the bottom, the bottom, so boom, it bounced off. This is support. Now when it starts to bounce off the top, the roof is resistance. All right, so what's going to happen, like I said before, a downtrend is going to happen, or start to happen, and pretty much this is all you need to take high probability trades. And you can actually you could insert the stochastic just for added confirmation. All right, whenever you see like this one, reversal pattern, you see stochastic was overbought. Actually, I changed the setting. I keep them all on 3s, but you see, I mean, it was oversold, and boom, reversal pattern happened, and it shot up. You see that? All right. Same thing here. Bearish engulfing pattern. Price was up here and it shot down. And this is a 5-minute. Each candle represents 5 minutes. So if you recognize a pattern, look at this. 5, 10, 15, 20. You could have went in from anywhere from a 5 to an hour, hour and a half trade and won that one. You see, engulfing here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 30-minute trade. Oversold. Stochastics on oversold. Like I said, I keep mine on 3s. I found that works best for me. And just draw your lines properly. That's all it takes. Is pretty much what the lines do is they help you, kind of analyze where price is moving. And I always take them on the bounce, or right here, the reversal it touches. It's not going to break through because you see a reversal pattern happen and it's just going to drop. All right. So that's just a quick video for you guys. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Facebook, and I'll be sure to answer. But this is, you stick to these guidelines, you'll be golden. Don't try to rush a trade. Don't try to predict that. Sometimes like this right here, don't try to predict that this will be a reversal pattern, because sometimes it might look like a reversal, but then the last 20 seconds it'll shoot up, end up not being a reversal, and you went in on a trade and now you're screwed. So it does take patience. You do have to practice drawing your trend lines, but once you get it down packed and you stick to these guidelines, I mean, these are high probability trades you could be winning. And all it takes is 5 trades a day at 10%. If you start Boss Capital, which is usually a minimum 200, or Markets World is 20, but usually everybody starts at 200. 10%, 5 trades a day, 5 and 0 high probability trades a day. using this system, and this is all price action. This is all that is, price action. You're using support and resistance, trend lines, and reversal pattern recognition right here, and you're golden. So like I said, hope this helps. Hit me up on Facebook, and I'll be sure to answer any questions you might have.